Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today we will know about how to edit this trending reel as you've seen in the preview. If you want to try this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to make this trend we need VN application which is easily found on your Play Store. So guys, first install the VN application. After that, when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. Okay. Guys, you need 16 photos to edit this trend. So guys, to import the photos on here, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 16 photos from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay guys, you have to take like this 16 photos. First you have to delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. Okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the video description. So guys, check out the description and open that link and download the reel video from Telegram. Okay, when you will download that reel, after that you have to click on the plus icon on here and click the music option. Then guys, click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from. So guys, select like this and have to OK from here. After that, click on the choose option. Okay, and have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos, after that I will tell you the photo durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. First photo duration you will keep 5.90 second, and guys, other photo duration is very simple because all photo duration will be same, which is 0.15 second. So guys, you have to keep the first photo duration 5.90 second and other photo durations will keep 0.15 seconds. Now guys, you have to add the text on your first photo. So to add the text on here, click on the plus icon and click the text option and input the title here, POV pop, and type here you open my gallery. Okay, like this. Now guys, you can select the fonts from here like this. Okay, and also select the color from here. Click on the color grading option and select the color according to you and have to done from here. I wouldn't change because the white color is perfect for my photo. Now click on the text timeline and increase till the first photo. Like this. Okay, you can increase this text and adjust according to you. Okay, now your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.